Jasiri is a medium-sized cat from Africa. Does anybody know what type of cat Jasiri is? You can just shout it out. Serval, you are absolutely right. We have a very smart crowd here today. This is an African Serval. Now, he is full-grown. In fact, Jasiri is about 16 years old. He was born right here at Wagaforth Bowl. Now, as he walks around the stage, you're going to get an excellent look at some of the adaptations that make him one of the best hunters out of the entire cat family. So even though he only weighs in about 30 pounds, he still has a higher success rate when hunting than lions, tigers, and cheetahs. Does he see a bird over there? He sees something. Now, as he's walking nice and close, you're getting a great look at those massive ears. Now, the ears on top of his head allow him to hear sounds up to 18 inches underground. And that comes in very handy when he is hunting one of his favorite snacks, which is the naked mole rat. Now, he'll listen for colonies that live underground, and then he reaches through their entrance or exit tunnels with those very long forepaws, just like in this video, snags them with razor-sharp claws, and then slurps them down. Now, he can use those long forepaws for another method of hunting, one that some of us do for leisure, and that is fishing. He will actually dunk his entire upper body into a pool of water to capture a little tiny fish called minnows. I'm going to demonstrate a little bit of that right there. So this is one cat that has no fear of water whatsoever. Now, he also has an incredible leaping ability. An adult serval can jump anywhere from about 8 to 10 feet straight up in the air and take down 1 or 2 birds in a single leap. Here he is demonstrating that athleticism, playing with one of his favorite toys. Now, even though he is an older serval, he's still one of our best animal ambassadors, and he thoroughly enjoys coming out and meeting all of you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that was Jasiri, our African Serval, with his trainer, Shauna.